Hello everyone, welcome back to Vishnu IAS. Just 3 minute series. Today we are going to see about important international borders part 2 by Vishnu IAS team. First we are going to see about 22nd parallel line. Okay, the 22nd latitude north of the equator, it marks a major portion of the Sudan-Egypt border. Okay, so that is the 22nd parallel line. So the 22nd north is a circle of latitude that is 22 degrees to the north of the Earth's equator, and it crosses the Africa, Asia, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, North America, Caribbean and the Atlantic Ocean. I recommend you to have a atlas or map to see this. Okay, and the majority of the border between Egypt and Sudan, it follow this 22nd parallel line. Okay, so when you see Egypt, so Egypt has coastlines on Mediterranean Sea, Nile River and also on the Red Sea. Okay, so Egypt borders with Libya to the west and Gaza Strip to the northeast and Sudan to the south. Okay. So another important border is the Egypt-Israel border. Okay, so the Egypt-Israel border, it refers to a border barrier that was built by Israel along its border with Egypt. Okay, so what is the main purpose to build this is to stop the illegal migrants from African countries. That was the main purpose. Okay, so the barrier was originally planned in response to the high levels of illegal migrants. Okay, so in order to stop the high level of illegal migrants, so mainly they are from Eritrea and Sudan, who enter Israel across the border and usually smuggled by Bedouin traffickers. Okay, so and also 10 of thousands of people, they also attempt to cross the Egypt's Sinai Peninsula into Israel every year. Okay, predominantly economic migrants. These people are economic migrants. So in order to respond to this, okay, in order to stop this illegal migrants, this barrier was built. Next, if you take Sudan, okay, Sudan, it is officially the Republic of Sudan. It is a country to the northeast of Africa, and it is bordered by Egypt on the north. Okay, on the north it has Egypt, and northwest it has Libya. Okay, and to the west it has Chad, and the Central African Republic to the southwest, and South Sudan to the south, and Ethiopia to southeast, and Eritrea to the east, and Red Sea to the northeast. So these are the boundary of the Sudan. So when you see Chad-Sudan border, so this Chad-Sudan border, it is actually in 1403 kilometer long, okay, length, and it runs from Tri-Point. Okay, so Tri-Point from Libya in the north, okay, to the with the Central African Republic in the south. Okay, from Libya to Central African Republic, this Tri-Point. So this is the border of the Chad-Sudan border. Okay, and it is the 24th meridian east. Okay, this line. Okay, it is at the it is the 24th meridian east. You can find out here. Okay, this is the 24th meridian east. So if you see, so this 24th meridian east, it follows this meridian. Okay, this border, that is Chad-Sudan border, it follows this meridian for 423 kilometer. Okay, so for 423 kilometer, this border, it follows this meridian, 24th meridian east. Then from there it becomes irregular. Okay, and it meet up with Central African Republic. So next is the 25th parallel. Okay, 25th parallel north. Okay, it is between Mauritania and Mali. So the Mauritania and Mali borders at 25th parallel north. Okay, the northernmost section of the Mali and Mauritania border is marked using this line. Okay, it is marked in red. So this 24th parallel north, it is a circle of latitude at 25 degrees north to the Earth's equatorial plane, and again this crosses Africa, Asia, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, North America and Atlantic Ocean. So if you see, next is Algeria and Mauritania border. Okay, so this Algeria-Mauritania border is of 460 kilometer length, and this also runs the Tri-Point with the Western Sahara. Okay, Western Sahara in the west to the Tri-Point in the Mali in the east. Okay, here it is Mali and it is Western Sahara here. So it is a tri-point. Okay, it runs from the tri-point with Western Sahara in the west to the tri-point in the with Mali in the east. So next is Mauritania and Senegal border. When you see some Mauritania Senegal border, this is also a land border, okay, of 742 kilometer length, and it runs across the Atlantic Ocean, okay, in the west along the Senegal River to the tri-point with Mali in the east. So here it is Mali, this tri-point. So it runs along the Senegal River. Okay, this along the Senegal River it forms a boundary. Okay, it is from the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, from Atlantic Ocean it forms a boundary along with the Senegal River to the, and it reaches the tri-point in the with the Mali in the east. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Click on like button and share it to your friends. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Do subscribe our channel and join our Telegram channel link to get infos about the daily current affairs and to get the value added material. Thank you.